Namaste. In the part 4, you have learned that an address is not a number. In this video, you are going to see that a number is not an address. Welcome to Outstanding 20. We provide highly competitive courses for you to learn the technologies thoroughly to the depth and including the industry standards.
Now that you have learnt how a pointer works and why the star comes in the syntax of the declaration of a pointer, so for that I am again taking int n equals 20 and star p equals null. So this null and the initialization part of the pointer I am going to explain you in a different video, the different types of pointers like null pointer, wild pointer, dangling pointer, constant pointer, void pointer. Now let me take a printf statement and I am going to print some numbers here. For that I am purposefully taking the percentage %u and I am going to print the values n minus 1, n, n plus 1 and n plus 2. I am going to copy paste this, and what I am going to do is I will store the value of n in p, but note that here the data type of p is int star and the data type of n is int. So as expected there is an error. So what we have to do is we have to deliberately ask the compiler to treat the value of n, that is 20, as an address. So here now I will take this as the p. So the value of n and the value of p is what I am using in the printf statements. Now let us run this and let me explain you the output. Note that p is a pointer and it can hold an address and only an address. Remember the definition which I have told you in the previous video, that once the data type of a variable is fixed, it would never change in its lifetime. Mean to say the p is declared as a pointer, that is as an integer pointer, mean to say it is going to hold address of an integer variable and nothing else, and hence you can see the difference is 4, that is p is 20, p minus 1 is 16, but since we have stored a number that is 20, we assume that it should be 19, 20, 21 and 22, but it is 16, 20, 24, 28. The reason is p is a pointer, it can store address and only an address. However, the difference that you see here in the first printf statement is 19, 20, 21, 22. The reason is n is a integer variable, mean to say it can store a number, just a number and nothing else. I hope you have understood this program.
And answer to the quiz that I have asked. And also if you have any doubts, I suggest you to go through the previous videos on pointers. Thank you.